Oh my god, I'm losing my breath. Like, I'm just so excited. Like, I'm really losing my breath right now. Like, I just feel fat.
Spells on the beat. Tiwa Savage on this one, yeah. Whiskey, do you want?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm QB. So as you can see by the title, today we're going to be talking about hair. Okay, don't mind my hair right now. You know, this is a synthetic wig. I got it from the beauty supply store. You know, just something quick. This is just like temporary or whatever, so I don't really know the name of it. I literally just threw out the box. But yeah, so this is my first ever sponsored I'm recording. Thank you. Okay, so oh my gosh, the perfect time to call me is when I'm recording. But yeah, so what was I saying? Oh yeah, so this is my first ever sponsored video. Like, yes, yo, I'm so excited right now to review this hair. You know, I reached out to this hair company because I really want to work with them. Their hair, you know, is really beautiful. I've been seeing it all over social media, and so I wanted to review it. So I hit them up, and you know, she got back to me, and you know, I sent her links to my YouTube video to check it out and stuff like that. And so she, you know, decided, oh yeah, I want to work with you, whatever. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna do an unboxing right now, and then I'm gonna do a couple videos, you know, to show you guys the hair. So let's get started. Okay, so I haven't opened the package yet, so it came like this today, and so I'm gonna open it right now. Okay, I'm not as strong as I thought I was, but it's fine. Yo, this thing is really not opening. Okay, there we go. There we go. All right. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This hair is from Nadula Hair, and the packaging obviously is so pretty. Okay, that's the first thing I'm gonna talk about today. Packaging, okay, because you know how I feel about packaging. You guys watched my last hair review with Max Glam. Packaging is really, really important to me. Like, I don't care, you know what I mean? Like, okay, yes, the hair matters, but packaging is really what matters to me too, because you know, the way you send my hair really says a lot about your company. And if you send my hair looking, you know what I mean, like if you send my hair in a dusty bag or whatever, and it shows me that you don't care about what I put on my head. So, you know, I really appreciate this nice packaging, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it. The packaging also has the social media, so it has the Facebook Messenger, the Instagram, and the YouTube. So I'm gonna like take pictures and post it on my Instagram so you guys can or I'm just gonna put it right here so you guys can follow them on social media and, you know, purchase the hair. So I'm just trying to open it right now. So of course I have this little invoice with my, you know, my address, and it basically just tells me how many bundles I got, which is 4 bundles. And I hope I got my closure, my frontal. Yeah, I did. Okay, it's not on here though, but yeah, it just says thanks for your order and everything. So yeah, so this is, yes, I'm gonna get into the frontal first. Actually, let's save the frontal for last. Okay, let's save the frontal for last. Let's get into these bundles. Oh yeah, it's actually 3 bundles. So it's 3 bundles and a frontal. So it came with this nice little wig cap to make your wigs on, but I think I'm just gonna like use this to wear like under my wigs or something, because I don't really particularly like this type of cap to sew on my wigs. So I'm going to be using a cap of my own to sew it on. So the inches that I got were 24, a 22, and a 20 inch. And this is their body wave. And this is what the hair looks like in the bag. I'm going to take each one out. I mean, I might not take each one out to save time for this video, but I'm just going to try to take, you know, as much out as possible so you guys can get to see what it looks like. Ooh, I'm already liking the feel of this. So this is the first bundle. This is a 24 inch, I believe. Yeah, this is the 24 inch, and it smells like hair. I mean, It just smells like hair. That's all I can say about it. It just smells like hair. It doesn't smell like corn chips or anything. It just smells like hair. And it feels super duper soft. Like, y'all don't understand. This feels mad soft. Like, OD soft. So I'm really liking the feel of this. I love the luster. The luster is really nice. I'm trying to get you guys to see how it looks. It's not too shiny, but it's not, you know what I mean, like too dull. Looks really nice. So yeah, as you can see, the luster is really nice, and I really can't stop running my hands through. Like, it's so freaking soft. And let me see. No shedding. Absolutely no shedding. This is amazing, because you know, every hair that I've ever gotten from Aliexpress has always shed when I run my hands through. I had to co-wash it first, and then it didn't shed anymore. But most of the hairs that I get from Aliexpress, when I do this, it sheds immediately. Not one shedding came out. So I'm really, really impressed so far. So yeah. So this is the 20-inch bundle. This feels just exactly like the 24-inch, and luster, as you can see, is amazing. Okay, it's really, really nice. Oh my god, I cannot wait. I've been waiting for new hair for so long. Like like I cannot wait at all. When you get bundles and you gotta do all that extra. Let me see how it's gonna look on me. You gotta test it a little bit. Like and this is what the frontal looks like. Really nice. The luster is so beautiful. Like, y'all, I'm about to be out here. Like, I like that the roots are straight and then it goes into like curls, because I hate when like I get curly hair and like it's curly from the roots. Like, what am I doing with that, sis? Like, what can I do with that? Like, at least straighten the roots for me, you know what I mean? Like, so I really like that this came with the roots already straightened, so that it goes into this nice, you know, nice body wave. So yeah, the lace looks a little tinted, but I am still gonna go ahead and bleach it to match my scalp and to be a little more natural. So stay tuned for that. I am gonna make a video hopefully on how I make my wigs. So yeah, I think that's about it. Thank you so much, Nadula Hair, for sending me this hair and for sponsoring this video. I am so happy that you guys decided to work with me and to trust in, you know, my brand and my work and everything. So I really want to, you know, just show my appreciation to you guys. And also thank you so much to my followers for always, you know, watching my videos and subscribing and commenting and just uplifting me with your words. Like, I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to see, you know, how far we go in 2018. Oh my god, I'm losing my breath. Like, I'm just so excited. Like, I'm really losing my breath right now. Like, I just feel fat. But yeah, so I'm really excited, like I said. So if you guys want to see, you know, more about this hair that I just got, and you know, like how I flat iron it, curl it, how I make the wig and stuff like that, let me know in the comments below, and give this video a thumbs up. If you also want to see how I got this look done, okay, as you can see, ravishing indeed. Yeah, so if you guys want to see this look, also it's in my last video, so you can go ahead and click. I'm probably gonna put it up here somewhere in the screen. You can just click on that link and it'll take you right to the video, or you can just wait till the end of my video to click on the video. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.